If you're already a big man and you're over 12 years old, or you're a delicate girl and you're under 50 years old and you're not making at least $10,000 a month, then you need to change something in your life. And in this video, I will tell you the top 3 ways to make money in 2026 where anyone can earn money. First niche: YouTube. I think everyone knows that YouTube pays for views, and here you might think that now I need to go film myself on camera, get 1,000 subscribers to enable monetization, and who will be interested in watching what I film, and that's what most people might think. But there is such a thing as AI. Thanks to it, we will create videos, and now I will tell you step by step what you need to do. You need to create a new YouTube channel with a new email address. I think everyone knows how to do it. You create an email address. After that, you go to YouTube, click Sign In, and choose the email that you created, and now you have created your YouTube channel. Now, you need to come up with a name for the channel and make it look cool somehow now. When you already have a designed YouTube channel, you need to upload videos there, and I think you've already seen AI-generated videos that get millions of views. We need to go to ChatGPT and tell it to write us a super cool prompt where a banana boss came to a strawberry secretary and asked her to stay late. Here the main thing is to show your creativity, and with the finished prompt you choose an AI that will create the video, for example Nano Banana. You put in the prompt and click Create. Congratulations, now you have a finished video that you upload to YouTube as a YouTube short. You should understand that I gave you this as an example. The same idea may not go viral for you. You can try something else. There are many options. If you like it, then everything will definitely work out for you. Of course, you will not get monetization right away. That also takes time. You need to study YouTube algorithms and improve your content. Only then will you be able to achieve success here. And even if you stop working on your channel, it can still bring you passive income thanks to monetization. The second way to make money is dropshipping, and anyone can do it, whether it's a school kid who is 8 years old or a grandpa who is 90 years old. Dropshipping is when you sell a product and never actually do it in real life, meaning you find some cheap product on AliExpress that is in demand and sell it with a markup. And when someone buys this product from you, you order it not to yourself, but to the person who bought this product from you. You may ask where to sell this product and who will buy it. You can sell it, for example, on Amazon or Shopify, but it is important to understand that Shopify is a platform where you create your own website where you will sell the product. Also, unfortunately, Shopify will not promote your website, and you will have to do it yourself. You can do it, for example, through Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. There are many options, but if these options do not suit you, you can promote your product through Likey as well. You can also sell the product not through Amazon or Shopify, but through one of these social networks. And if briefly, the plan will be like this: product supplier platform, advertising, money. And it sounds somehow very simple, as if some info gypsy was saying it, but it's true. There is nothing complicated. The main thing is the desire to make money. The main thing is don't give up, and everything will work out for you. You need to analyze your mistakes, choose the right product, one that is in demand, and not just something that you personally like. Only if you analyze your mistakes and develop in your niche will you truly achieve success. AI. And if you don't know how to grow a YouTube channel or do dropshipping, and you don't know what to do, then you can easily make money with AI. Let's say there is some popular Telegram channel with a lot of subscribers, and you can write to the owner of this channel and offer him, hello, I want to work with you. I will write posts the way you need for the channel for $5 to $10, or you can write to him, yo bro, let me bring people to your channel, and for one person you will give me $0.30-1. And you may ask, what does AI have to do with this? If you are going to write posts for his channel, you should take posts from his channel and let ChatGPT analyze them, and after that it will write posts for the channel much better, and all that will be left is to fix a few things, and it will be perfect. And if you are going to bring people to his channel, then you can do it, for example, through TikTok. You will simply create videos with AI, as I showed earlier, and leave a link to the channel in your profile. And here you will not spend much of your time creating videos or writing posts. AI will do it instead of you, and you will make cash. And these are not all the options. There are many more ways to make money with AI. For example, with AI, you can create logo designs, thumbnails for Instagram stores, or for example, for YouTube channels. And believe me, if you already understand this field, then you have a very big advantage over those people who don't understand it. And for the next 2 to 3 years, you can make very good money from it. Believe me, your knowledge will always be in demand, because some companies will find it more profitable to replace several employees with a trained AI that does not need to be paid. And you will be doing this, of course. Some top companies will not replace their best programmers with AI, but small businesses and online stores will do it because they really don't care who does the work as long as it is fast, cheap, and high quality, which AI handles perfectly. And the main thing you should understand is that I can lead you to the river, but I cannot force you to drink water from it. I think you understand everything depends only on you. And now, what should you do to achieve success in one of these fields? You should choose one of them. You should not do several things at the same time. You will lose focus and burn out very quickly. You should choose one thing, for example, YouTube, and work in this field for a long time. And with discipline, you should not give up immediately because something is not working out for you. Give yourself time. First, study the field where you want to make money. And after that, give yourself time to achieve a result. It may be 30 days, it may be 60, it may be 90. Everyone has their own individual path, and you should not give up immediately after every failure. This is normal. Everyone has them. When you earn your first money, let's take YouTube as an example again. You earned your first $200, $300, $400, or $500, and it is normal that you may want to buy something for yourself, but it is better to reinvest the first money you earned into your business. This way you will achieve a good result. Let's take the blogger Mr. Beast as an example. In one interview, he said that his wealth is approximately $2.6 billion, and this money is not sitting in his bank account. His whole company is valued at that amount because he constantly reinvests money into the development of his company. He does not have millions sitting in a bank account. He lives like an ordinary person. He said that right now he would borrow $1 million in order to have a wedding for himself, and he is borrowing it not because he does not have money, but because he is developing his project as much as possible and does not spend a lot of money on nonsense.